I've just had my dinner and spilt it everywhere. But join me now for a tutorial with Pirates of the Caribbean. There's a crazy version by Jarrod Radnich. So let's take his quite tricky arrangement and make these arpeggios super easy. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. I make new videos every Thursday, so if you enjoy the content, then please subscribe or join and that will really help me out. So I've just purchased Pirates of the Caribbean from the site Music Notes, and Jarrod Radnich has done a really virtuosic type version that's really fun. Going into the second page though, he has these crazy sounding arpeggios. I've worked them up a bit faster over the week, but today I was just wanting to break them down for you to show you that they're not actually as hard as they sound, even though they are a frantic pace. Let's do them slowly first. So let's first of all just identify what they are. So we have up here a D minor chord, but it's not in the root position, first inversion, it's in the second. So the D minor notes, but with your thumb on the A there. And we have that on an A bass note down there. Then our left hand comes up to this A here above middle C, and we have those three notes followed by those three notes, and then our top pinky again coming down. So just to break it apart, we've got our chord together with our D minor on our A, D minor arpeggio, D minor arpeggio, and then slowly down that D minor arpeggio. And then we go to a B flat chord on a G bass note. So that's together. Then we have here a B flat and a B flat. So same three notes again. So B flat chord, B flat chord. And then a B flat note coming down the B flat again. So I'll show you again from our D minor. So D minor there on A. And then we bring our hand up to our D minor there. And then our three notes of D minor coming down to the B flat chord on a G bass. So those come together. This hand comes up to our B flat chord, B flat chord, then B flat there, come down your B flat notes again. So we're going up those three, down those three. Then we've got exactly the same notes as the start of this arpeggio passage, but it's just right here. So instead of up at this high one, we're all the way down this A with our D minor notes. Once again on our D minor on A bass. Then we fly up the octave again, back to our start notes, and come all the way down from our high A, down those notes as well. And then we chuck on our left hand, those three there. And then bring the F note. So from that F, we bring that over down to here. And I'll actually get you to use a fourth finger there on our F, D, and A, down that way. And then we'll step those into the C sharp and E to make the A chord there. So the F, D, A by itself, and then together, A chord on A is our fourth chord there of that tricky little section. But let's keep at it and I'll give you some more tricks to keep making it easier and easier. So we have our D minor on our A bass, so together. Then let's block these together then. So we've got a D minor, slow D minor, B flat there on the G, so put those together, and then B flat, so block, and then slow. Let's do those two bars again. So we've got the change there from our D minor, slow, B flat on G, B flat block, and then slow B flat. One more time again from our D minor on the A, together, go, and then block, triplet, together, then block, triplet, and then we've got our D minor, but just right there where our hand's been at the B flat to that D minor on our A there, high A note, come down those starting notes, all the way down, and then over with our fourth finger there, 4, 2, 1, and A chord. Let's now piece it together with a little bit of counts in the block. So we'll go at still a slow tempo, so stay with me here. So let's say 1 and 2 and 3 and, or 1 and 2 and triplet, 1 and 2 and triplet, 1 and 2 and triplet, 1 and 2 and triplet chord. Let's say that. Okay, if I'm losing you here, let's go one step easier and let's just look at where our chords go first of all, so we can practice the ins out. So even as I was getting it faster this week, I broke it right down and went, where are my hands going? So thumb here on the A, thumb here on the A. So if we do a bit of thumb gauging, we can see how far our hands are actually moving from this thumb here. We don't have to think I'm so far away at these outside A's. So we've got this, and then there, and then B flat to G, then your hands come in. So let's do those two steps. So A, left hand, that's where we go, and then B flat on the G, hands both in, B flat, and then starting notes again, but down here and close, then up and up. So let's do that bar again. So from our D minor here, and then up to the octave, and bring that one right up. So we're going from this thumb here to the thumb here. So it's quite a long way there. And then hand over. Okay, now that we've blocked the beats and the chords to sort of see a little bit more and map out where we're going, the next challenge is to actually start getting the notes in, but being able to also execute them quite evenly. So if we have our D pattern, let's not worry about the first chord. Let's go to this first little arpeggio. So we've got 2 and triplet. We want those to be quite even. But if we want to teach our fingers to be even and to execute it really cleanly, we actually can put in some different rhythms that then help us tell our fingers what to do and exactly when to do it. So if we want to go pizza, 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 triplet, pizza, 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 triplet, and then execute it the opposite way, because then that teaches our fingers to wait also when they need to wait. So we have popcorn, 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 triplet, popcorn, 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 triplet. I think that would work coming back down as well. Popcorn, 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 popcorn. Yeah, it does. Popcorn, 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 popcorn. So just take those notes and ignore your rhythm that you might have there on your printout. Popcorn, 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 popcorn. Or pizza, 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 pizza. So again. So don't let your fingers jump in at all. Other way again. Popcorn, 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 popcorn. So make sure you're waiting. I'm doing this quite quick actually. So let's go a bit slower. Popcorn, 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 popcorn. So on the corn, make sure you wait there. So that's your first chord. Your next chord to that one to here. Our B flat is our next. We could go up with the same notes again. Popcorn, 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 popcorn. And swap it again to pizza, 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 pizza. All again. And swap. Popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. And some of those I was holding over, but what we want to do is actually practice passing them. If I take the pedal off, you can hear me passing from note to note. When we're doing it faster, we won't actually be holding there. So just watch that you come off on each finger. And then our last pattern goes out from your D minor and then up high again. We've got a group of 7. So rather than 3 here, 3 here, we've got an extra note there and then coming over for your triplet to your A chord. So let's look at then, we can still practice it the same way. It'll just keep switching out how the rhythm falls. So we can go popcorn, 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 and then swap to pizza, 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 pizza. And just let your wrist follow each note as you need to so that our fingers are kind of lining up as we go. We don't want to freeze it in the position. We want to let our wrist swing to match where it needs to be, up there or down there. So you can see there's quite a bit of wrist, just gentle movement that brings our thumb down. So to really work on this rhythm, I've actually got some other tech videos with featuring tetrachords. So we can have 4 notes there, 4 notes there, and we can do them in all different rhythms to help control our muscles and to tell our fingers exactly when we want them to come. So I'll put a link for that as well, but check that out if you're feeling like you're not really able to match the different rhythms as you call them out loud. So in the end, with our group of 7, we really want it to be flowing quite evenly. We don't want to just go landing on that note. We don't want some things to be plopping together. So you can just make sure everything's very even in rhythm, but even also in sound. We don't want some to sort of to splat out there or landing on our thumb. So practice just going through very softly and very even with every note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then the next thing that you can do is think of coming over to the F. The F is where we're going to stop. So keep doing it several times. We're doing that, and then coming over to our 4th finger on the F. But we want to make sure that every note is there. We're not missing any. So you can hear with some of mine, they're not quite coming evenly. Keep doing it until you can hear yourself get it really even. And then land to that F. I prefer to use my 3 up here, so 5, 3, 2, thumb on there. Some people might want to do the 4th, but my hand's just a little bit smaller, so we'll put my 3rd on there. Stopping on that F there. And then slow down to your triplet, so 2 and 3, and just run it evenly down. And joining onto our A chord there, A, C sharp, E on the A bass. Let's have a go at putting it all together now. Good luck with your control and your evenness, and we might just step it through one more time blocking, because that can really help our rhythm to come together there before we're adding all of the notes. So let's jump back to that blocking idea. So 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2. Now let's break that again. Let's go a little bit slower if you want to do it slow motion. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then all that it is speeding it up. So good luck with that and enjoy those arpeggios until the next video. See you there.